Welcome back to another crypto video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back into another cryptocurrency video. I'm your host today, Jacob Crypobury, and we're going to be looking at Mana, Decentraland, one of the big projects that took off over the last few weeks with lots of euphoria and thrill. And as you can see, we're down to the extreme fear level in the crypto fear and greed index. So things are not looking too good. It's been a bit of a bloodbath, really, hasn't it? And it continues to bleed out the market as we've got all of this political FUD of Ukraine, Russia. But let's take a look at Mana today to see if it's a good possible investment. What could the long-term opportunity be for this project? And yeah, let's have a little look at some of the simple analysis as well as some news as well that's going on. So if you're new here as well, make sure you smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future crypto gains and research and news that you don't want to miss out on. So yeah, crypto fear and greed index, usually fearful scenarios do create nice DCA entries, good buy zones and good reaccumulation phases, but as the saying goes, it's very difficult to catch a falling knife. So we can see here, there's some interesting news. JP Morgan opens a lounge in the metaverse after stating a $1 trillion market will likely infiltrate every single sector. So this was literally published not long ago. And then after that, we've got a massive pump here on Mana. As you can see, a few other projects in the metaverse area also got a big pump. So this is pretty interesting. Global Investment Bank says the metaverse will likely infiltrate every sector in some way in the oncoming years, with the market opportunity estimated at over $1 trillion in the yearly revenues. The firm has set up a lounge in Decentraland. So this is pretty bullish news, as big brands such as Walmart, Nike, Gap, all these retailers, all these hospitality chains, they're going to be getting involved with the virtual world. And yeah, I think that's pretty awesome, but I'm not too sure how much adoption is going to happen in the future for this type of thing. But I think either way, very good to have these big names talking about Decentraland. So this is the Decentraland website there. Not sure if you've seen it before. Very virtual reality based, very metaverse, very NFT, and it brings brands into a digital environment. So it's quite interesting. Not sure if I'm a huge fan of it myself though. I prefer my infrastructure projects, as you probably know. But yeah, Decentraland currently trading at $2.90, rank 34, 4.3 billion market cap with a 24-hour trading volume of 675 million. And we can see here on the 30 days, we're still up a whopping 30%. On the 2 weeks, we're down 12%. On the daily 24 hours, we're up 7% there, guys. So let's have a look at what's going on. We can see that on the daily time frame, we did have that bearish crossover on the MACD when we were basically getting hit at the resistance at $3.40. RSI is still pretty neutral, to be honest. We're just at a 48 relative strength index. Now, what is interesting is when we did take that big impulse on the 28th of October, and that was a huge pump all the way up to this particular price level, what kind of looks like has happened is that we retraced that 0.786 Fibonacci over at the $1.75 for support. After that, we got a big pump. So we took another impulse all the way up 100%. And then we got that small correction, which is what we've got right now. And if you were to look at this Fibonacci retracement, it takes us to that 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. Now we do have a double top here, which is quite bearish, but it looks like we got this bounce just where we needed to. We bounced off of the 261 support once. Then we got a nice daily green pump, and it looks like we rallied from the support level. So what I can see on the daily time frame is we're still above the bull market support band, and the relative strength index is looking pretty neutral. We're not overbought, we're not oversold. It looks good. We can maybe consolidate at this particular price level of $2.85. However, if we do lose the support here at 261 and retest that support one more time, this is when we can see those lower support levels, such as $2.17 from the wick here on the 9th of November, and also that $1.75 level over here from this big wick here. So we're still above the 200-day moving average, and the 20-day moving average has been breached, however. So it's still looking very strong. We're still in bull territory for this particular project. I anticipate that we're going to maybe get a pump, retest at $3.30 level. If we look at the 4 or 3 hour time frame, again, we're over that 20-day moving average. So in the short term, it looks good. we're getting that momentum. That's what we hope to see. And maybe, you know, we're gonna see some of these next resistance levels targeted. So the next one is going to be $3. Then we have the swing high over up $3.10. Then we have $3.23. I think very, very bullish for now. Very bullish for now, despite the market being so red. So if we can hold this particular level, $2.86, I anticipate that we'll be at least targeting that $3 resistance quite soon from the previous swing high over here. So let's see if we can hold this 286 level, guys. It does look pretty good. RSI isn't too overheated either, and I reckon we can see $3 mana again pretty soon. So keep an eye on those levels. Looks like we've got a big descending triangle as well. As you can see, the lower highs along here, and on this horizontal we're just literally trading along this support level. So there could be a big breakout at some point in April as well, if we are consolidating and trading sideways for the few weeks or days to come. So that's about wrap really with this video, guys. If you like the content, make sure you smash that subscribe button, leave a like, comment down below, and also make sure you hop into that Discord channel. Got about 100 people in there. You're gonna see some nice charts, you're gonna get some nice trading strategies, you're gonna get some very like-minded people in there. So make sure you do hop in the Discord. It'd be great to see you there. And also massive thank you to the 5 patrons. If you want to become a patron, basically the price of a coffee, you can find that in the description down below. You're going to receive my ebook, one-on-one messaging, premium Discord access. So guys, hope to see you soon. Take it easy.